be cooking pork chow mein today. These are my ingredients. Upo, carrot, celery, and onion vines. I already steamed this. And this is the pork. I marinated it with cornstarch, onion and garlic. I don't know what's that. Then I'm going to fry those vegetables. I'm frying the celery and the carrot. I put dark soy and I will put some garlic. I already added the upo.
Upo is what they call bottle gourd.
Paminta or black pepper. Yes. I will cook it for about 5 to 10 minutes or less. I just added the onion vines in here and cabbage, but I don't have it. I'm frying the garlic and the onion. Then I will add the marinated pork meat. It has cornstarch, so it will be juicy when it's cooked. After the meat is cooked, the pork, we can add the chow mein. And I will mix it, and I will add the sauce that I make.
And the veggies.
I will show you later. Hello, this is how it looks like. I will add the chopped boiled egg. And it is done. Smells so good. Thank you for watching.